In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Veo 3. So recently, Google launched the newest and most advanced version of Google Flow called the Google Veo 3, which is definitely one of the best AI video generator out there. The world is developing fast, with even faster advancement in the field of AI and video generation. Every once in a while, Google or any other relevant company develops something unique. But I must say, the Google Veo 3 and the standards it is setting for AI videos is beyond what we had witnessed till date. Like, who would have thought that we would be able to create dialogues and literal conversation between our AI videos? Impossible to think, right? But Google Veo 3 has made the impossible possible. So to use Google Veo 3, you will have to open up a web browser of your choice and search for labs.google.com. Keep this in mind that Google Flow is not available in all countries, so you can simply use a VPN and put location of United States or a country where it is supported. Once you are in, you will have to click on Create with Flow. Once you click on it, you will be asked to create your account in Google Flow. So simply do that by using your Google account. Once you're all set up, you will see an interface like this. On top of it, as you can see, it says that you will need an Google AI subscription to generate. I myself am not a subscriber, but still, Google Labs let users look around, so I will simply guide you through. As for the subscriptions, if you will click on the subscribe button present right over here, you will be redirected to another web page. On this page, as you can see, that the AI Pro version is of PKR 5600, which is approximately $20 in the United States. But keep this in mind that you will get a free trial for a whole month, so you can very easily check whether the Google Veo 3 is up to your standards, and if it is, then you can proceed with the subscription. There are two kinds of subscriptions. One is the Google AI Pro and the second is called Google AI Pro Ultra. In AI Pro, you will get around 1000 monthly AI credits. These credits are needed to create AI videos. In the Pro Ultra version, you can get way more than 1000 monthly AI credits. So now, back to the Google Flow, you will have to click on New Project. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to another page. In this page, you will see a prompt box at the bottom. So the very first thing that you may notice is the text to video option, which is present right over here. So let's click on it. Over here, as you can see, there are three options available, which are basically your source through which you will be generating your video. In text to video, you will be able to generate AI videos which you desire. You will have to enter prompt in text form and use it to generate videos. The prompt is something about which you need to be very careful about. Prompt needs to be specific because if you miss any crucial point, the AI will certainly assume those points on its own and may create something that you were not anticipating. So you have to be very specific and careful about it. Furthermore, you have to be seriously specific about your subject. For example, if you want to generate a person, you should specify the person's gender, appearance, clothing, and if possible, even what the person is doing. Apart from the subject, you should carefully specify everything that's happening in the background. So moving on from the prompt, the second option is frames to video. In this mode, you can create a video from frame to frame like a literal movie. Think about this like a storyboard created and operated by AI. You can control actions from each frame, control the camera angles and transitions, and even communication manners. Lastly is ingredients to videos. In this mode, you can add images, clips, and merge them with your generated AI clip. So on the right side of your screen, you will see the settings. On your settings, the first is outputs per prompt, which is basically how many generated videos you want from a single text prompt. I would recommend using one as the entire software is making a single video. The output will be better as compared to creating multiple videos when the efficiency will be reduced. After this, the next setting is called model. In model, you will see 4 options, 2 of Veo 3 and 2 of Veo 2. Keep this in mind that if you want to generate video with audio, your only option is Veo 3 fast or Veo 3 quality. As for the fast and quality variation, fast provides more frames, quality provides greater quality. So select whatever suits you the best. But in case you want my recommendation, I would recommend you to use the Veo 3 quality as it provides the most greatest quality among the 4 options. Now, to generate a video, you will have to write in a prompt. To write prompt, apart from what you already know, first you have to make a scenario. For example, the location, mood, lightning and such kind of details. Second is the pre-action, where your subject takes place to do whatever he is about to do. Third and the last is action, where the actual task is performed. So start writing a prompt while keeping each and every one of the details I have told you. I will now show you a prompt that you can consider a perfect prompt for a beginner like you who is simply learning and exploring about the Google Veo 3. So in this prompt which I just created, as you guys can see that the subject is a prince. I have specified his gender, his height and a little bit of details about him. After that, I generated an image in the mind of the AI that he is walking in a garden right in front of his castle. In this line, I basically specified the background that he is in a garden in front of his castle. Then I specified the pre-action that he is about to enter a wagon and the action that once he enters the wagon, he picks up a paper. So everyone, this is a perfect prompt that I have written and is really basic, as I am teaching you guys how you can do whatever you want in Google Veo 3. So once the prompt is ready, you very simply have to click on this arrow and you will have to wait for a couple of minutes to see your video. So everyone, this was a detailed video on how to use Google Veo 3. That's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.